fixing to start this hallway here, and always want to get centered in the main hallway, which is the focal point. So what we did is measure here and here, and we got 20 3/4 is the center of this hallway. But if we do this, we line our board up here and another board here, we end up with a little sliver there, and the same thing over here. So we do a full board there and a full board there. We end up with a little 2.5 inch piece there. So in order to stop having a little sliver here and a little sliver here, we want to take our mark here and go half a board over. So we would actually center a board here. These are 9, so we're going to go 4.5 to here, which will put this board centered. And then that gives us a 7-inch piece and a 7-inch piece. So now we got 2 big pieces on the sides versus a little strip, 2.5 inches, and we're still all centered. I got my boards all lined up now on my 7-inch chalk line here, all the way down. Now I'm going to take my scribe board or a board and just scribe all the way down the wall right there. That's going to give us a nice perfect line to go perfectly flush, not flush, but perfect with the bows or dips in any of the walls. So that's how we get started laying vinyl plank. Ta 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 ta, chicka chicka ta ta, chicka ta, chicka chicka ta ta, chicka ta ta, chicka chicka ta ta, chick chick ta ta. Alrighty, let's put some quarter round down. Time to trim this bad boy out, bad boy out, bad boy out. We're gonna trim this bad boy out and make it look all pretty. Who's gonna trim this bad boy out? We're gonna trim this bad boy out, bad boy out, bad boy. Woo! Alrighty. We are completely done up here, except for the doorways. Everything's all nice and caulked up. Got transitions to do and fix the doorways. Downstairs we still have a couple pieces of quarter round to do. Where we had them down, they got buggered up. The nails ricocheting, so have to redo them when we get back in the morning. I was hoping to get all this done today, but didn't make it. Anyway, we will get the transitions put down and everything caulked up and done tomorrow and be outy bowdy.